Good Tuesday morning, class. Here is a quote of the day. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. When we get together in our morning meeting at 8:30, I want you to think about this quote and see how you would like to reflect on what Aesop said, a very famous person. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. So whoever wants to share when we meet at 8:30 can do so. Um, Routines are key to making your life organized. That being said, I will try to help you set up a good school routine. First of all, when you wake up after you have eaten breakfast and you're ready to begin your day, you should first always log in to Seesaw to listen to your morning message from me, just like what you're doing right now. After that, you should click on your daily checklist PowerPoint that is going to be in Seesaw, and it's going to bring up all of your Tuesday work. So this information in the PowerPoint will be your schedule for the day. All of this should be done at or around 8 o'clock. And you should then start your morning work. Today's morning work is Travel Tuesday. So please have this completed. I will give you extra time this morning. So have the Travel Tuesday template filled out by 10:45 this morning in our 10:45 session, so we can share where you traveled. So fill out that template by 10:45, and the instructions are on the Travel Tuesday activity in Seesaw. So I will see you guys at 8:30 straight away. Remember to always log in before your actual Zoom time. So I will see you, hopefully all of you, ready at 8:29, ready to go at 8:30. I hope you guys had a good first day of school, and let's go with today. So have a good day, and I'll see you at 8:30.